Time for some Tuesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we begin in Scammon, Kansas with Dylan Best celebrating number 3 with love from Aunt Charity and Uncle Jamie. And Dylan, we hope it's the best day ever. Axel McCuston in Pittsburgh celebrating birthday number 4. Love that sombrero. With love from Oma, Pop Pop, and the family. And we've got Addison Smith celebrating number 11 in Chanute. A very happy birthday to you, Addison. And Gianna Pyle celebrating birthday number 13 in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Gianna. We've also got Emily Watts in Joplin celebrating the big 2-0. Happy birthday to you, Emily. Jordan Yoakum celebrating number 21. With love from Mom, Dad, Jessica, Eli, and Ellis. Happy birthday, Jordan. Gracie Rolls celebrating number 23 in Pittsburgh. A very happy birthday to you, Gracie. We also have Kenneth Herrenbruck in Baxter Springs celebrating birthday number 23. And Kenneth is a senior at K-State. Danielle Crockett in Lamar celebrating 33. Says, we love you, Mom and Grandpa. Happy birthday, Danielle. And Dr. Kathleen Sandness in West Mineral celebrating a birthday as well. And Dr. Sandness works at the Bryant Student Health Center at PSU. And last, but certainly not least, we've got Ricky Romick in Columbus celebrating a birthday as well. Happy birthday to all of you. And of course, if you'd like to celebrate with us here at KOAM, it's really easy. All you need to do is submit those birthdays to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. Make sure you give us their name and of course when their birthday is. And if you'd like, you can include their age, their hometown. We love to see the photos. And we, of course, you can include a special birthday message if you'd like. Additionally, you can head over to our website and submit birthdays there and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's really easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses and you get a special message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.